Draw the head with a soft snout.
Add a pointy ear.
Add the front legs, one prancing. Draw the back and the round tummy.
Add the back legs.
Swish a big wavy tail. Draw the magic horn. Sweep the fringe around the horn. Flow the wavy mane down the neck. Spread a magical wing. Add an eye and a happy smile. Now color your unicorn in. Now creamy peach swirls. Pink for the mane. Lilac swirls next. Now the next color. Buttery yellow for the horn. Last of all, write the name. U-N-I-C-O-R-N. Yay! All done!